got is here. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Zion.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214-218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Because of Christmas Day.
I do not own.
For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted and everyone loved. There's hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my
Good
Lord.
morning, Dr. Mark.
It may not enslave us, and love may reign once more.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Good morning, Dr.
lawyer.
Mark.
Okay, I'll be back in a jiffy after I have established link with lawyer Asma.
Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Long time ago in Bethlehem.
We
oh,
are
the
very
Holy
soon to
Bible
be
said.
joined.
Okay, it appears I've got lawyer now. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
I put me to them.
Adam, now sir.
Yami Adam, we see here. KT for Yami Adam BBI. Okay, so we're going to go back to BWF Solicitors officially, and then take off probably the Christmas edition of legal education from the masters BWF Solicitors. Lawyer, I don't pay. Yamma watch so uncle. I'm a muffin shopper. A more thing. Na ye bisa say. Bibi fufu bi aba ana sadada no a na aba na ya sonte.
Yo, Dr. Mark. Etie for the ashafo. Ano pay ye chia obi biara, baby a wo biara. Yami Adam yawo ankwa. Na kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ na yɛwɔ saa nti na Nyame ahyɛ yɛn sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ne nanso no yɛbɛyɛ yɛde nsampa no abrɛ wo ɛwɔ rainbow radio ɛso na Dr. Mark na ɛwɔ hɔ anɔpɛ yi no ne sɛ apart from nea yɛnim fast skilled worker ne student nsesan a aba no ne fees a ɛbɛkɔ soro no nea aba no so ne sɛ from 31st January 2024 nea aban policy no akɔdan ne sɛ woyɛ obi a wonware wɔ yere no anasɛ wo kunu no na wogyina ne so a sɛnea wonim no yɛfrɛ no unmarried partner na ɛno nso yɛfrɛ no durable partner na yɛhwɛ mu a woyɛ cohabitees na mmara no nso ne sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ moatena 2 years at the time a woyɛ application no na moatena 2 years nti na kyerɛ sɛ ndɛ na moyɛ application no a ɛsɛ sɛ mo calculate back sɛ yɛatena continuously for 2 years anaa ba nea akɔba ne sɛ aban nhyehyɛ no sɛ woyɛ application sɛ unmarried partner sɛ woyɛ fi amanane na wode aba anaasɛ woyɛ fi UK ɔman mu fi sɛ wote mu no ɛnhia sɛ wobɛprove saa 2 years no continuously at the time a woyɛ application no na nea ɔka ne sɛ wobɛtumi approve sɛ moatena 2 years at any point in time not necessarily up to the time a woyɛ application no nti the moment a wobɛtumi approve sɛ moatena 2 years at any point in time no na kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi aqualify unmarried partner threshold anaasɛ criteria no nti ma yɛnhyɛ no so sɛ from 31st January 2024 there will be no requirement for the couple to have been living together for at least 2 years. That is the requirement, living together for at least 2 years.
And I pay you got me beaming from left to right. It just say we Becca say you bring idea and I say a new year idea.
We there a bring New Year, Easter now bomaba.
Put together.
A bomaba.
Oh, that is good news. It's good news because lawyer I'm proud to way to me break kakra na ya san can't say any no break kakra na ya can't say any and it's a very good initiative.
Our proud to me ejija na say I can't boom.
No sir.
And not just say a nature a life santi
yeah, they almost say so on straight.
But what can I say? It is sufficient for the relationship similar to marriage to have been existed for at least that 2-year period. Into what it means is that 2 years no ye kan efi he na ye ko si he. Kan no na wo be kan esi time wa wo ye application no but you see ano say wo kan a not necessarily say wo be kan up to the time wo ye application no. Nembo wo betumi akan na aka say within 2 years at any point in time in that relationship no motina bomu.
Na yeti bomu.
Na Dr. Mark, ma menka enyoma bi a ehia sɛ if you say eno ne enyoma home office for ehwe broni fra no factors no. Nti factor no bi ne sɛ the case worker no your assessment no obehwe sɛ you and your partner must have met. So ne ayenim no mo hia dada. Na mo hia dada no na kyerɛ sɛ mo hia ya there's no way I'm going to me a form a relationship. And I'll say you and the partner must have lived together in a relationship similar to marriage. Relationship similar to marriage in the say moye madeɛ te sɛ awarefoɔ. Nti sɛ na awarefoɔ yɛ ɔmadeɛ no saa na mo nso mobɛyɛ madeɛ. Na kyerɛ sɛ the same way awarefoɔ nso ɔmotumi separate na ɔmo san bom no saa na mo nso metumi separate na mo san abom.
Pepe.
Ɛna ɔse your relationship must be genuine and subsisting. Not just say relationship no, as I say, a relationship wa edimu, and yes say mo was a relationship because mo bocha any say bio say mo de benya bibi. Nemo mo relationship no say mo bocha any say mo ba pim akomonim for each other. So I say subsisting. To be here bibi e be di adanse say ampa. Enyoma adanse say aware no edimu a etene kwa nenim a eti ho da. And I'll say, you and the partner must intend to live together in the UK permanently. And any previous relationship must yɛhwɛ wei ni nyinaa na kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ relationship wɔ baabi a ɛsɛ sɛ wohyɛ sɛ ɛni hɔ biem. Ɛsɛ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ moatena 2 years. Na main one no sɛ saa 2 years no ɛnyɛ sɛ moatena abom up to the time a moyɛ application. Na mbom any 2-year period in the life of that relationship, say past or just a while ago or up to today or up to the time we year application to come more evidence.
Wait, David said, more BWF from which I establish time or be the girlfriend. But apart from that, what are that things yang on the ordinary? No, you between noting it down so that we share girlfriend be now on a cotton na and hoping here saying kata some of the you put those things down just to make sure say and bring you do evidence say we've been together either living concurrently for 2 years or on and off for 2 years.
You all can say our relationship no as I say our relationship. Nti mama yɛhwɛ ne awarefo ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo show na yɛmfa ntoto ɔmo ware so ɛho. Because as I say it is similar to awareɛ. Nti sɛ awarefo prove sɛ ɔmo aware a apart from marriage certificate no ɔmo wɔ nneɛma bebree ɔmo didi adanseɛ, communication, money transfer, proof of address ɔmo to the same place, photos to show say ɔmo ɛbɔ mo bra ɛne nneɛma a ɛte saa a ɛkeka ho. Nti wohwɛ unmarried partners no nea marriage for a ɔmo no ehia sɛ ɔbɛwɔ no ɛyɛ marriage certificate. Apart from that no nea marriage for wɔn nyinaa no ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn nso wɔwɔ.
Lawyer, does it mean say nti sɛ nipa no wɔ Ghana na me wɔ ha na me no na atwam pena me tumi kɔfa ne ba?
Mmara say you are in, so you have to prove relationship. So the relationship we are looking at marriage or unmarried partnership or durable partnership.
Nipa evidence said the girlie
on
any chat you know those things.
Sanity.
But that's the person. Nipa no Ghana no mazi or she reside in the in this case like I said sponsors abode our Ghana. But it's all trying to fee our Ghana. And that's what we're trying to one fee.
But how do you prove say you've been living together for at least 2 years?
If now you come here, lawyer, you come here utility bills in here, then you be use I they approve it.
Well,
this is about BWF
utility bills for you just have to make sure say you have it right.
I know, but yeah, utility bill no crown. If you don't put him your papa there.
Yes, if you're apart from utility bills, then be able. Into one nice say prove case, doctor. Into some way juma.
Aje BWF Solicitors and
we juma. You sure say ma will pay slips. Pay slip no address ebe waso. Into address ebe na wode ama we juma no a or issue pay slip no. Who bank account. Or address waso. Address ebe na wode ama bank no. Na sesa aye no. We can't tell one.
Ghana there na bank account na a PO box na waso ana.
So when I overcome, what man will PO box? I'm going for PO box. So.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You until now you share ɛyɛ nsesan a ɛboaboa papapapapa titiri wɔn a ɔmo for some time na ɔmo asan abom na by time a ɔmo yɛ application no na 2 years endue but ɔmo counting anaasɛ ɔmo hwɛ back a ɔmo hu sɛ oh yɛn koraa yɛ baa yɛhyia yɛ for a long time just sɛ biribi nti na ɛma yɛkɔ ne yaba saa deɛ a yɛbɛtumi aka ne nyinaa abɔ mu anaa nti at least within a particular period no I say you have lived together for 2 years into 2 years no how do you prove it nti wobɛkeka ka ne nyinaa abɔ na kyerɛ sɛ date no ɛyɛ very important paa.
Lawyer, yeah, that's it. And I pay one of them, and then the other one more de yasum. And Taffy, trash my now, son of a trash no mammy announce on phone lines just in case Obi was send me so quickly and son of a Juma. Send a DBano BWF Solicitors, Masters, I want to maba. So, over any issues to do with your immigration or any legal issues in the area of family law, immigration and nationality, ABR, housing and welfare issues, employment issues, things like that. So, we'll be here and more, and I was saying, we're here a new year. This is the right time. We'll be to my friend, Studio Hana, one lawyer, Asma of BWF Solicitors, Akasa. Now, my other friend, I pay 0208 133 4646. 0208 133 4646. And now, so between 0208 133 1134. 0208 133 1134. Bribinti and there WhatsApp line and our mobile line is out of use just for today. Let's say just for this morning's program. The technicians are working on it, and Bribinti and none of WhatsApp line in use. So let's focus on these two numbers: 0208 133 4646. 0208 133 1134. I'll be ready when you are ready. But until then, let's go back to Lawyer Asma. Now, lawyer, topic over for today, no? On Famaye. Lawyer, back to you.
Yo, Dr. Mark, that's bebre. You a chief for the for assign Asia beam. Na ne enkomono eye nia edi bebre nya. Tituru ya mani ya nanamu a yakofa wa fi amanone aba. So mo maka ebusua no ho na yentena mbom na ebusua no eni gye wie peye. Na sense eye yi fo ni nti yetumi akwanya akofa ho aba. Na yebedu ya no senya yi yumra ne ti no. Oso mo bedu a sense ye ma won 6 months ni nti omunye application foforo na omunkwaje afebo and I say 5 years depending on hano yamaya shano so depending on nia sponsor no ewo nia sponsor no wono it say 5 years and I say a indefinite leave I friend no settled status but nia akwaba ne say sisi ano mo hwemu a omo famra no baby na omo adane no na omo eyusu senior omo eni baji ewo ho na eno na akobese sese yetumi edi ho enkombo na se wo ye bi ana se wa ye bi na ya ma 5 years instead of settled status and say indefinite na we hu anamo a ubetu afa ho ana so sa afi na wo be ya we hu kwan a wo be fa so na yiyumra no se ne ayenim no Brexit ba ye ni wie no yenya withdrawal agreement na withdrawal agreement ne kire kwan a UK man befa so a wo be hwehwe ntotoye a woni EU aman no ewo ne sene asa ntotoye no ebefa EU emba a wati UK eho won ne webusuafo anase wasefo na eno na your friend no appendix EU policy guidance na appendix EU policy guidance no Now, all can say, some way application, say you ni, and I say you ni asini a. wobɛkyerɛ sɛ what's na kurom ha anaasɛ UK ɔman mu for 5 years anaa sɛ wontena amani do 5 years sɛ ɛndu 5 years a ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ application no ɔmo bɛ assess no under EU paragraph EU 14 of the appendix EU policy guidance no Sarah nso na sɛ wedi 5 years a na woyɛ EU ni anasɛ EU asini a yɛbɛ assess no under paragraph EU 11 of appendix EU to the immigration rules no then na 14 no ka na 14 ne ka ne sɛ wundi 5 years ɛwɔ kurom ha anasɛ UK a yɛbɛma wo 5 years na 11 nso ne sɛ wedi 5 years a ɛma mpo aboro a yɛbɛma wo afebɔɔ anaasɛ indefinite a yɛfrɛ no settled status na nyamra no ɛka ne sɛ ne nyinaa mu no exception ɛwɔ hɔ na exception ɛwɔ hɔ ne sɛ woyɛ akwalaa a wundi 21 years ɛmboroyɛ a wundi 21 anaasɛ wundi ma ne mboroyɛ a woyɛ wɔ application no a yɛbɛhwɛ nea wo sponsor no wɔ na wo nso yɛama obi saara ti dɛn na sponsor no wɔ ɛna sɛ sponsor no wɔ 5 years pre-settled status anaasɛ indefinite leave to remain as yɛfrɛ no settled status no saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a wo a woyɛ akwalaa no woyɛ application a yɛbisa wo sɛ wopɛ sɛ yɛma wo nea wo sponsor no ɛwɔ no bi anaa sɛ wogye to mu a na kyerɛ sɛ wo sponsor deɛ no na wobɛnya saa nti yɛbisa wo sɛ wo sponsor no wayɛ USS no bi anaa na wa confirm anaasɛ wagye ato mu sɛ saa na ɛteɛ na yɛaka kyerɛ sɛ ɛndeɛ ɔyɛ application no long number no a yɛde maa no a ɛhyɛ aseɛ with 3434 no fa ne deɛ no ɛhyɛ mu nti wode bɛka ho ɛwɔ wɔ application no ɛso nti ɔmɔkɔ akɔhwehwɛ na ɔmo alink no to application na kyerɛ sɛ nea wowɔ no nea ɔno wɔ no saara na wo nso wobɛnya moma yɛnte aseɛ sɛ saa nkɔmmɔ yi anaasɛ saa akwanya no ɛkɔma nkwalaa a wondi 21 years a wɔyɛ application sɛ EU foɔ anaasɛ EU ebusuafoɔ nti moma yɛhwɛ mmara no EU paragraph EU 6 ɔsɛ sɛ woyɛ wɔ application na wo qualify a ɛdɛ sɛ yɛbɛma wo pre-settled anaasɛ yɛbɛma wo settled depending on your circumstance ɛna yɛhwɛ mmara no a ne fa baabi nso a ɔse paragraph EU 11 capital A ɔbɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ wobɛnya pre-settled o anaasɛ wobɛnya settled o sɛ woyɛ akwalaa under 21 no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ conditions a ɛwɔ annex 1 no annex 1 no conditions no ɛyɛ appendix anaasɛ part of appendix EU provisions no nti wokɔ internet no so a wobɔ appendix EU to the immigration rules a ɛbɛyi aba ɛyi ba wobɛhwɛ definitions no a yɛfrɛ no annex 1 definitions no na wakɔ ne fa baabi nso akɔhwɛ conditions no a ɛwɔ hɔ no condition no yɛwɔ baako mmienu mmiɛnsa ne ɛnan na nea ɔka ne sɛ woyɛ wɔ application sɛ woyɛ akwalaa a wondi 21 years na woyɛ sɛ EU ni anaasɛ EU family member anaasɛ busuani a yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ condition baako mmienu mmiɛnsa ɛnan no wonya mu baako anaa na sa imrano anasa nhihyae no so omasesem 5th of October 2023 na sa nsisae no na omofrɛ no version 21 na version 21 of the amendment no now all can say so we EU akwala say we direct EU person so we got EU passport and now say we EU asini say we EU ba and I say EU nana say grandchild so we your application no a yeah share say we sponsor no then or wo and now so say we sponsor ne kunu anasa ne yero no then na owo nti it's not just about sponsor no na mbom sponsor kunu anasa yero no enso ne de no so there are two gateways what the sponsor has as part of the immigration status in the UK and now say what the sponsor's spouse has as the immigration status in the UK. Nti say a sponsor no, say a sponsor ne kunu anasa ne euro ni nyina no utumi efa ho mani ye.
Okay, lawyer, we dey mean chawa no na call we gyina so kakrati ma ye manu mbonwem na edwa na asem no ehia papa na nemre susa. Hello caller.
Wohini, ene Mr. Asma, me chiamo.
Yeah,
Me stam bebre.
that's
Yeah, any mo mamu yi. Pacho, we dey Mr. Masma me bisante say. Me wo 10-year parent route no. Me dey can 2.5. And na me next 2.5 no, aka 1.5 years. Okay, aka 1.5 years. Met me at the akware obia, se me no asaware. Me na me chere na dia che. But me ne asase di nkomo di jaye na fe ne asase a ye di nkomo ye a bia me sene kaka bebu sumi mi ensene metimi de mekrata no akọware no aka 1.5 years ansa na ma renew ni de metimi de akọware no ana wonna mpese mpisa
lawyer patrol ten kan
Martin nka na obisa no summit ni a ɔse ɔno ankasa no okuta limited leave to remain. Yes sir.
Pacho I
Yo.
every 2.5 years no ma renew. Every 2.5 no ma renew.
Well, it doesn't matter.
The current one no.
It doesn't matter. Don't worry about that one. Now, me what kind of sincere and say, oh, limited leave to remain. Yes, I net here.
Pacho I.
Yo. Would you know what you're so and I say what basso and I say what private life so?
Na se tama me ye ne de igina me maso but me no ye jai for almost 5 years in it. Me apply for single. I'm also applying or apply for single to renew as a single. And I miss me renew as a single. But apart from that, you know, that 20-year threshold, you know, me trim. But the time I me apply,
we try one no kakra. Na me person me ti ase ne say na wo no wugina wo baso. Yes sir.
Patron.
International sa wo ba no eni ho a wo ni ho. Yes sir na tie.
Patron.
Nti sa na tie wo dan obi. Yes sir.
Okay. They see and say
you are depending on your child. You are depending on your child. Yes sir na tie.
My apply as a child depend about me apply say me won kwara okrom ha ana face so no startup na me di 18 years eti no mo ka say omo ntimi separate akwara no ene me free akwara no ana face so me pa no won di more than 7 years enti ye de ma
yeah wait sorry na maybe son say
okay
wo dia wo no ugina akwala no so na wunya ya yesa na tie say how e ba ya de eni de ehia enne na ye nyim ni say wo ba no ntimi ya de ma wo yesa
Mpachwine.
Nti sa oba no enni ho a ukori ni ho a. So there's no way I'm the mama. The next one still I say we show bibi. Yes sir.
Mpachwine.
Nti ni ame pa kira ne say because say
na Eunice. Dite.
Baja utie.
They na me show ni say. They na me show ni say me support akwara no ewo ni upbringing mo. But in evidence na me show ti na me kwaje letter if it's
It doesn't matter. Sorry. It doesn't matter. Ni ame pesa utie ase no say oba nti when you setena kakra ewo krom ha. As I say, we continue to prove say sa na tie. Sa nti wuntumi
okay.
Enko nkofa obi mba because you are not independent.
Okay.
Oba nti na wo ha. Nti wo dane obi, you are depending on somebody. Oh yeah, oba no more or less. So better than wa akofa wo yere say odo so mra na o me depending on wo yere oba no so. Nti until say ubenya indefinite no, wuntumi nkofa wo yere. Nti twen we are indefinite a, sa na me pa che ba na mpesa wote sen ne nti a ya ka me sa no ase.
Okay. Na that's not touching you know. Na ne sa no. Many 20 years say you know bit more switch free sa child one not na ma apply for private life as a 20 years rule no.
Sisi wait what's na ubano so for how long?
But also for 3.5.
3.5. What do you call with him?
That's right.
Nti ni aye kan say. So what's na so 2.5 wa? Na sa wo call with him wa. Na all of a sudden, open say what you want na start under private life wa. Of course, your choice. Ubetumi start under private life. But what's the point? Starting all over again. If
the point is so Australia, then he can bring the new wifey over.
Yes.
I think that the main purpose is to have to bring the woman over.
But what switch here? Then the baba.
Say a private life in 2.5, no, like a matter for 20 years now.
Oh, your mama 2.5, sir, for 4 times. So we for 10 years.
Yes.
So
yes, but within that 10 years, so which made in the year number.
That is the point I'm making. Say until so be indefinite, no, to me confirm with you.
Even Australia or a private life now still
until so be indefinite, you cannot bring your spouse.
Okay.
Because the next moment I'll be renewed, then I just said Bamao. So you can bring your spouse if you are settled in the UK or you already have citizenship in the UK. Now, obetumi aye ne say wo ba wo ho na wo kofa wo ba aba dia and you kuta 2.5 limited leave kra obetumi akofa wo ba aba because akwala no e different from wo yere. That's the difference.
Okay, lawyer, yeah, that's it. Yes, yeah, that's right. Wish you all the best. I hope they'll be your way.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care. Right, lawyer, trust me.
Yo, it's a funny ashafo dambre ye church mu no. Say ye you abafraba. De ye you oba. Another ye you nana. Another ye family member no. Neba another ne nana. Say in the 21 years na application emrane say or the woman settled status. Nambum waka banyi there. Aya case workers funo wash emrane baby. Okay there. You should have lived in the UK continuously for 5 years to qualify for settled status. Now, my jai a fanwa or can say we are a family member under 21. Not time we have application, you know. We family member now, we no so equita indefinite, and that's a settled status. Aya no my jai hono. Santi and then come on no. Nya can say nya ya kwaso no nti. Na ama ye di sa enkomo yi If you say Bebrenua, Munituma, they are my pre-settled instead of settled, even though Akwalanu indeed 21. And a mommy and as a papa are original no sono or settled status. Akwalanu application waka wo Mr. Me pese me nya me maame me papa na sa me nana ne de ani bi. Omo ignore ni na. Nti ya share the amendment provision of 5th October 2023 eba ya no a. Ya share version 21 no. Ne fa no bi. Nti wo share pages no a. Obaka kire say wo ya ya ba assess it. Na waka kire assess nkofo no ya assessment ni say who assess ya hwe say nimpa no either say we meet conditions 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. One of the 4, not all the 4. Until I say all this or that there, and there as a sum share 4 na omuhu near nimpano or qualify. 4 no ukoshen year obaka chron say nimpano eye under 21. Akwala no age na ne sponsor no eso. Na sponsor no okuta settled status. And as a spouse okuta settled status. Inti an spouse okuta settled status. And as a sponsor nankasa okuta you no okuta settled status a. And this we share continuing residence of 5 years no before you make a decision to grant pre-settled or settled. That is the legal point. Enti bebrenu a omo akwasa tibia no mu no akwenya ewo ho emamo se mo beye krata akoma sekesimfo se sei na mra no eka na sei na media no akoye nti montiniti no emame ana so be application foforo na wahwe bebi a mra no ewo no na wode ato application no na wa mamo ehu say application no emiti mra no senia mra no etie nti doctor ya to ankomo no so.
Yeah, that's it, lawyer. I feel I'm sign activity phone lines maybe no more than a friend and to me sign back because I didn't want to interrupt your flow. 0208-133-4646. So who was in Bisabi my lawyer and the okay want to be biasi na open chimwa. And anything na why if I embrace some say ye has say Ghana. Nefa acquaintio embrace some. This is the right time. This is the right man. 0208-133-1134. The phone lines are activated now. If you call me, we'll bring you on air. Until then, let's take this break.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the
BWF Solicitors. And I know what to in common. We'll be home more 4th floor Anna House. 214 to 218 High Road. 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4NP, N15 4NP. They are experts in family law, divorce and matrimonial, financial issues, domestic violence and injunction, child care, and the immigration, say business immigration, say EEA, entry clearance, the friend of visitors business, no, students and appeals and judicial reviews, Nina Omoye, litigations, mansupa, omonometre, and dispute resolutions, CNC and seven amo yohadie, landlord and tenants and consumer credit issues, Nina, and also ombetumi aboa Ghanaian law practice. Say some say real estate and say citizenship in it. Dia keka huina BWF Solicitors or the power moha na just say okwa kunya money. So we've got just about 15 minutes or less to say goodbye and to say, oh, I my lawyer, this is the time. Call us now. And if you're not ready, lawyer, so we'll be able to chat to my wrap up. Ladies with na baby, yeah. Na ya share so na ya ka.
Yo, Dr. Mark. Dr. Mark, my person me de eka ho na yeti ase se. Senya policy no eche no enho enkomo na yetwetwe no. Ye share Emre a meka enho asemu ya omo asesemu na omo de ba 5th October 2023 ya. Oma requirement as I say umiti sawo ye akwala application and the EU na ye share paragraph EU2 capital A no Obaka said the applicant will be granted indefinite leave to remain or indefinite leave to enter as a joining family member of the sponsor, and that must be a relevant sponsor. So EU sponsor no. Na ose se wobetumi aye sa na wenya sa akwanya no a. Ose application no as I say di mu. Of course, application no be use the right form. Na ose application so as I say meet requirement no. Ya kire mu under EU 11A, that's paragraph EU 11 capital A no. And I say which I say usubainti and yet when ye obia as I say you refuse application, you know.
Lawyer, Mr. My info caller way now to us, my hello.
Mr. Ho, special good morning.
Good morning, Penny. What is saying?
Patrol, I'm doing a feminine above Niger. BWF, the money I do my chef over 10 years ago.
Sir.
Now, I'm a pay my bomb ambassador at my palm, we are welcome. One boy, I bet it's Abri and Timothy and Tomasi.
Yes,
number two, and I Mumunya Queen Libon, when it's Friday, Saturday on the community and the host, by name Mumma Nibi.
Lawyer.
Doctor.
They are putting it to you. So crazy, no, are they now man now?
Many can say community and the law. We are a legal hour.
That be yeah now. Do bring a brace a BWF for more
yeah
crazy.
Yeah, yeah, no 2 weeks already.
Okay.
And
well, but Mr. Asma, the tennis said, Black could not say other programs Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, meaning your Umbusan will be throughout. And I feel the money and some
Saturdays. And Bobodiana share Saturday way. Why? Now for Jim. Maybe I want to open a free ticket to Accra and back.
Last year we need it. We need this year.
Last year when I win here.
We need second prize.
We are runners up. That's good.
And about your Mamuta question is a man quiz. I quiz and but your question I'm missing Busa.
Okay.
But under the EU SS no before the old regulation 2016 no, so we are extended family member under regulation 8 now. Now you grant to resident card. Now what almost 5 years. So why you need due to renew on February 2025. Now we are under EUSS now. Me was say, but dependent, still learn who does prove who prove for 5 years now. And relationship requirement, so we are not the best set in the so the DNA, obviously approve relationship because I mean say rules in the the mawa card the amount it me a sufficient proof of relationship. Just a card never sufficient. The main question is who apply for settled now as extended family member or nephew. Over to the resident card now approve as relationship. Now ambassador put up 5 years dependent, bank statement and now they are better me because nipa no and I why you throughout as well. Now me use automatic check. But maybe a question. So maybe 5 years dependency through bank transfer and maybe on the best set and resident card as a family relationship. And one of my question, Bacho.
You Pacho, so we are live won.
No life, Bacho, no life.
And the main come on. Tamo okwaji ni ayede man no. Then no prove you. Then no prove you.
And Bacho or the birth set by man near to know or the DNA as a nephew DNA.
So we start in some meaning that is relationship. What about the other one?
I know the but I know proving dependence need the way, but it doesn't say DNA prove so bushing no man go for the baby no granting.
It's more or less say. Now what I say, even though I extended family at the time, dependence, but still what the dependence you call ya.
But the dependency, when dependency, but or the if any say or the proof of address just want to fee home, but money transfer the way you no the coin.
No, my question is sir, proof of address now the coin no I work on one no. So no the prove dependency ana.
But try.
So the fact say nipa no anwuremu anasa andorimu ankubisa bebre no enkyere say dependency wasn't part of the assessment.
Okay.
Lucky no nya I say ne ode call ya no mo gitu mu e na mo de ma no. So what I say. E so what I say kane no na emu nya din.
Okay.
But ye kwa yenim na anyama na asesa no na ye nuen say after that no USS buy no ye ka so obi anya ne de into also or migrate here me boa.
But or migrate yeah.
Until so migrate here, or migrate under USS. Yes sir.
But
Tama oye USS no approve dependency.
But there they want prove she no say or migrate here or prove here.
Right. So okay, so the point I you trying to say me wa fair and say me auntie or show me and that's not or show me gusu yin na ti or show me. Yes auntie.
Yes.
And so ko renew as I say or sign show say on no na cha so I can say what no.
But try.
As I saw show and I say only so show.
But also show so on it.
And the so bobo no ho to ho. So what just here?
Matias. Okay.
I better say.
Yo.
All right. Have a nice day. Bye. Pacho, call us no moment one for no one Sunday na yebre. Here was less than 7 minutes to go. And it's now or never. 0208-133-4646. Final call for Borden before lawyer Asma leaves us. Hello. Yetiwo Ohima Madenko.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, Afin Shapa.
Thank you. Because the salary question say 38,700 and that's some people. And on the Pacho, so we let's say settlement and on affect one.
You nia nsesa no emfa you there no ko you bibi unrestricted says we nya say answer why
enti ano affect break phone kwa British phone kwa
so we are British citizen and that's ukuta settled ukuta indefinite leave to remain indefinite leave to remain, not from EU. Now they confer and
lawyer.
It's
a such as EU for the homophobia, but they don't have to prove a financial requirement.
I say EU for no omo anshe emre ase emre omo sha ase no EU mra no
and they are bregu ye na say EU for
say unfortunately and because omo share emre ase nti omo di ade nti ade die no mo hwehwe ne say wo be hwe say wo ye EU ni a wo ti oman mu we exercise treaty rights. See, I don't know. I'm kind of say
38,000 ya be ya try adwo omo do monka ho and the mutrim kwa EU for
they be EU for
and there say we question no na me for be foforo and abi obi okay yeah that's it. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I
Good morning, Mr. Mark.
I think come back to you.
I think come back to you. Sorry, no mean to.
It's okay. Lawyer to you.
Okay, me tell a lawyer. Okay. But me tell me a question.
What me be a question be I open.
That's it. Okay, we maybe some Americans or by and say under EU SS man 6 months family permit no we room but only biometric into papa contact home office email say because your man 6 months pending in man biometric na only seen the vignette or passport because the visa no is valid for 6 months into only BIP into sano also or application to settlement scheme and also your different application bill and then I'm a lawyer.
Yo, Emrane say, so ba abajoini EU family yabama 6 months. Ube do within 3 months we do no. As I said, we main application under EUSS into your friend switch from 6 months to 5 years or indefinite, depending on your age.
Okay. All but no, they said we do over 21. Or your application now or you're under 21, but they say we're part 21.
Obedu ya no we di
We did 22. Yeah.
Is it more than 21?
Next week. Yes, next week we did 22.
Into yes, application now. The visa no say who here.
That be who here.
About 3 months. Oba ya no.
That be about 2 weeks. But what happened is a visa na kasa that off for 2 months.
Don't worry about near see ya no. Na me person who say once say who ya no de akwanya e wo ho e ma wo. Nti also your application, 6 months, and yet say what the bet is to arrive. We buy your application for fraud. Why? Since we did to about 21. In terms of show dependency.
Okay. Nti obey no to the EU app no and settlement scheme app no.
Send obey no under EU SS route no eso. So when you're sure we need to can no one away about the other say be wow. But or over 21, it can easily be questioned. Say dependency or any idea. And to the fact that
when you're sure, no any BWF Solicitors.
Why?
Okay, me the number okay, me the number
BWF Solicitors. Aye. Me da se bebre.
Okay.
On download no me fa BWF Solicitors numbers na mamo na wafre mo. It might look small in your eyes, but in the eyes of the law, it's not small. So the best thing is to give it to the experts to do it for you to avoid unnecessary complications. Emergency numbers are between our BWF Solicitors anytime, and I'm bossy. So open Opiemuna Ankasa, Uncle Ben Ankasa, Kofrabai Ankasa, the principal Ankasa. Say a law a for now, say the school bank or no principal. We're training for and they are all doing well. We all had the trainees in said I had papa. But Uncle Ben trainees in I'm a poem I'm a boy jumapa. It means Master Dankasa are very good. Uncle Ben Namani 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Chairman Ankasa Namani. Offer number where your case is done. Now, by the chain, lawyer Eunice 075 35 813 910 075 35 813 910. I feel lawyer Asma. Lawyer Pacho, can you remember now? Mr. Wodiano, a free meeting
079 476 36037.
Pacho Sansi to be married
079 476 36037.
for until and a switchboard number no just in case say person will fret office line and 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. That is BWF Solicitors, the masters of the game. Say person will bought immigration game biana winning up. That is where you head towards. That is 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters. Yeah, me and the Moko and as a road driver, I'll bring you a more packet at least for 1 hour whilst you do your consultation and the rest. And see, special team packing and your problem. I'm also so interestingly for what quality of service I'm delivering on his car. It's not commensurate at all. It's shockingly, surprisingly low. And a man and mom who say, hey, I'm your expert, I'm buy a chair, I'm your idea, the end of my car. I wanted to say that BWF, what they look at for is your welfare. What they look at for is the quality of service you get and not the quantum of money they take from you. And say, Shannon, so na fa kokwasa, and then ye pepe and trafi. And yes, a me ma adeno and kotija and sana wako heshomo. Yes, na ye complicated. Na bohunsa some ye din answer canon afi ye be cannabis miensa. Obroni say a stitching time saves 9. Person a card tree, but about my catch all. And see, so try about what yen temp na enfree so. Na 2024 na yen fenije and na hosepe enfree room. Lawyer Charles, and now move break it for Christmas. Now move break it from wartime to wartime. Now you about why you when to come.
Yo, ebusuafo sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛhu a nyame yɛ adom a yɛwɔ ha up to akyina na yɛatete mu kakra yɛbɛsan aba 27th 28th 29th na yɛasan atete mu na yɛaba new year from the 2nd.
Oh, send us some papa. Let's just say Mon Shadan close baby.
Cause say your dream community no winti.
Very good.
As I said, they be available.
Very good. But I'm beginning to say in all of this, even small closures no crano, say emergency be from master mobile so.
And no correct. Send ya no da no.
Yeah, that was say. I feel cry when you must make chat to now. Yeah, fan sorry so.
You and Dr. Mark na make is to say. And rather say, as I said, oh your application no we meet EU paragraph EU 11A no. Na EU 11A no ma conditions be. Conditions say obaako mienu na nsane enan or say mu baako. Na enan no or say the applicant is a joining family member of a relevant sponsor and the person is under 21 years of age. Nti no ni ade a ya hye no so ye under 21 or your family member of that sponsor. And now cultural say in addition no sa family member na all joining no so why USS ni bi enya indefinite. Sa na etia de a wo akwala no ese say wunya sa nipa no indefinite, not say yebama o pre-settled as if say wo ye on your own. Nti because say you are not doing it based on your own residence, nembom or family member need nti. And this almost say we did 5 years and say we did 5 years. A year automatic jump to near o sponsor no or one. A hono na aya omo enhwe no saa na omo ahwe no the tra no say as I say we did 5 years na omo ama o 5 years because wuncha saa 5 years no because afi na waba to say yen yen ofrey afi na kwala no aba or your application for extension or yes sir extension from 6 months to we no ne papa na say ne maame na say ne nana no ekuta indefinite a na so ndi 21 a say say ye hwe ne saa na ye de ma no na mmom se ne wo be ye wade no na ebe ma omo ehu se ne ayese se omo ye no enie ana se omo be ye mistake ayo na omo ye mistake a to change it you know na say you go through another process another steps nti na ye kan say so wo ye application na wo gina wo nua wo gina wo maame wo papa anaasɛ wogyina wo nana so a sɛ ɔyɛ step anaasɛ then still a family member within that closet wonni 21 nko adeɛ a akonya wɔ hɔ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wonya settled sɛ yɛama wo settled a ɛsɛ sɛ wopusu wo ho na woyɛ biribi na wɔn ɛsesa w'adwen ɛfa wo ho yɛwie a yɛbɛtoa so wɔn a wɔn question ba wɔ Facebook one na one person one year kasa obisa question bi a wentumi ambo enwuro mu no ye wie with rainbow a ye be to aso be 15-20 minutes na ya ma won nyina wenya mmuaye ansa ye de dwumadie no aba ewie ye enti Dr. Mark and then no nia e ho ne say so we are married partner emrane say ne say we show 2 years up to the date of application number 2 years in that life of the relationship at any point in time no obetumi the account am na ye
lawyer one hwam yɛda ase ɛyɛ asɛm de paa na yɛda ase anɔpɛ yi nso wagyebrɛ na wabɛsom yɛn wakyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu akyerɛ yɛn na wama yɛakoma atɔ yɛ yam yɛsɛ sɛ nyame nka wo ho ɔnhwɛ wo so wo ne wabusua ɛne BWF abusua no nyinaa nkɔsi berɛ a nyame yɛ adoma yɛbɛsɛ ahyia biom mesɛ da sɛndɛ sɛ bebe mu a na sɛ mobɛba a baade na prophet aba nti ɛbɛyɛ ahoka yɛda mo ase ɛkyi Uncle Ben ɛne abusua no nyinaa take care.
yo
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations.
Questions. A buy ya. Bring into yentumi ya no kane no. Ye be ya no amamo. Wo pesa wo friends wa. Wobetumi afre studio line no. Na we bisa wasem to a na ye di mwaye amawo. Nti yenua Elizabeth ebisa say, can you still apply under Zambrano? Yo yenua ne wo mu say wukuta 2.5 already a wuntumi apply under Zambrano. Na se wunkuta 2.5 dia and the ho no embra no ensesaye nti betumi aye. Yenua case bi say some person me renewal after 5 years as a family member of EU. Document ben na me here. Because a renewal, my name is we 5 years, we go name akoye in the settled status no. The GD sir. Until now we used to hear the prove I am out 5 years no. Sarah and soon I will be use obey no. Until document I will use to can no. Similar ones, and I said the same document. Because the same, it doesn't mean that I would come over 5 years ago now, I will better the alcohol. Nembum, nyama what they call no, the answer say relationship, no dependencies, and so prove ni na wo no saa nso na wobɛyɛ no. Why? Na 5 years there, aye outdated. Nti I say we use new ones aye current date. Yo, the other four, say, nnuanom a wɔde question ɛbaa yɛ no yɛtumi eyi wɔn ano saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a yɛbɔ nkaeɛ sɛ yɛame yɛ adom a ɛkyena yɛbɛto adwumadie no so ɛwɔ legal hour Friday show ti bɔ mmɔden na ahyia yɛn ɛwɔ afidie no so. Lawyer Eunice bɛhyia yɛn ɛkyena saa ara nso ɛna Saturday yɛbɛsan ahyia na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ on the community and the law program. Na yɛde quiz no so abrɛ wo. Ti yɛnnua no a ɔse na onim sɛ yɛahyɛ aseɛ no, bɔ mmɔden na ɛkyena join 4 p.m. kwesi 6 p.m. na participate in the quiz. Be a wobɛnya free ticket with accommodation to Accra and back. Off peak. Yo, nti yɛda ase bebree sɛ nnɛ so mu yɛ mmerɛma a yɛn na yɛsua adeɛ. Just to summarize what we've learned today. Today we touched up on what is happening with applications from EU family members who are under 21 years old. And so looking at children, grandchildren under 21 years old who have arrived in the UK with 6 months EU SS family permit and applying to continue their stay. The law is clear, and we have mentioned that under the relevant provisions of Appendix U, and also under the policy guidance issued on the 5th of October 2023, version 21, it says that if a child is applying under EU provisions after 1st of July 2021, that child must meet the requirement. So we have the requirement under paragraph EU2 capital A. We have the requirement under paragraph EU6. Actually say it is a pre-settled and also settled. And most of the time the caseworkers are only looking at 5 years residence and not the age of that child who is applying. So we have to understand that the policy is clear on that. If you have made an application and you have been granted settled status, pre-settled instead of settled, you can challenge that application under the relevant provisions. The provisions as amended say that if the application is after 1st of July 2021 and the person meets the Annex 1 conditions, especially condition 4, the person should be granted the indefinite leave to remain of their sponsor or the sponsor's spouse. So if you are not granted indefinite leave to remain, especially if you have already indicated that that's what you want, and you have indicated that your sponsor has also applied and gotten indefinite, then the application was wrongly assessed and must be challenged. If you are not sure how to progress on that, you can call us. We will assist you anytime, any moment. Thank you and have a pleasant day. Shalom.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs.
We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems.
You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.